the yellow potatoes.
There you go.
Oh, and they're big.
They're pretty big.
Nice. Yeah. Okay, so we dug up the sweet potatoes. Wow.
They're perfect.
Joey, where are you? Joey, look. And it's connected to a big sweet potato,
Which
too.
is really good to know because in the fall, when I took it out,
We have a sweet potato.
Yeah.
Potato.
Yeah, look how many slips are on
Put
it.
it back in there.
We're gonna take, yeah.
replant them.
We disconnected it from the actual potato, and we're gonna just replant those separately like that, without the potato. Yeah.
got all the roots.
Nice.
Wow.
But now I know, I had some of this happen in my garden, but I didn't know what to do.
Mm-hmm.
But now I know I can just,
Yeah.
it's like Christmas.
Yes, nice, beautiful. Look at that bucket.
Oh, that's cool.
Potatoes and onions, my favorite.
That's good.
Yeah,
I'm excited to see the other.
very nice. Fun.
Yeah, that's okay. Maybe not
60 pounds.
Oh.
I'd say 42.
42
Yeah, I
pounds.
think I.
That's a lot of
27 pounds. Okay.
Track the bucket. 'Cause
We're not.
We're lifting it with the bucket,
Oh, okay.
so we won't subtract anything from our guess.
over half a pound.
I think it weighs like 1.5 pounds.
Oh, Joey, you
Oh, wow.
Oh!
Wow. Look at me.
29.8 pounds. Woo! Yeah, you got the
9.8
closest.
pounds. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
John, you work.
What was your plan with the potato? Oh, yeah, yeah. Right here. I'll put this on. Okay.
The best smell in the world is tomatoes and marigolds together. My humble opinion.
There's some right here.
Maybe these are somewhere in here.
Yeah, I got a couple right
Bend over and just like fall everywhere.
Was.
That was 29. Go 29. We go 29 again. Cool. 29.
All right, today we have 178 pounds of potatoes that are being donated to 2 local food pantries.
Oh no, that's
Last
okay.
year
I'm making
we
the video.
harvested 91 pounds.
Woo! Almost double.
Almost.
Almost double. Potatoes.